Introduction. Welcome to our video understanding sewing machine needles terminology. In this video, we will explore the terminology of sewing machine needles and learn how to select the right needle for your sewing project. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced sewer, understanding the different terminologies used for sewing machine needles is essential to create quality stitches and designs. Types of needles. Sewing machine needles come in different types, each designed for specific fabrics and sewing techniques. Universal needles are the most common type and can be used for a wide range of fabrics, including woven and knit fabrics. Ballpoint needles are designed for knit fabrics and have a rounded tip that prevents the needle from damaging the fabric. Denim needles are designed for heavy-duty fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather. Leather needles have a wedge-shaped point that cuts through the leather without tearing it. Embroidery needles have a larger eye that accommodates thicker threads and multiple threads. Quilting needles are designed for quilting fabrics and have a tapered shaft for easier fabric penetration. Needle sizes. Needle sizes determine the needle's thickness and length. The smaller the number, the thinner the needle. Needles range from very fine, size 60/8, to very thick, size 120/20. The size of the needle you use depends on the fabric you are sewing and the type of thread you are using. Selecting the right needle. Selecting the right needle for your sewing project is crucial to achieving quality stitches and designs. Always consider the fabric you are using and the type of thread you will be using. Use a universal needle for general purpose sewing on woven and knit fabrics. Use a ballpoint needle for knit fabrics, a denim needle for heavy-duty fabrics, and a leather needle for leather and vinyl. Use an embroidery needle for embroidery projects and a quilting needle for quilting fabrics. Always test your needle and thread combination on a scrap piece of fabric before starting your project. Outro. That's it for our video understanding sewing machine needles terminology. We hope you now have a clear understanding of the different terminologies used for sewing machine needles and how to select the right needle for your sewing project. Remember to always consider the fabric and thread you are using when selecting your needle and test your needle and thread combination before starting your project. Thank you for watching, and happy sewing!